Thrive Market claims to save you money on organic and sustainable pantry staples, but does it actually? I crunched the numbers and tried the service out to find out for myself, is this service any good? Let's talk about it. So first, let's talk about what is Thrive Market in the first place. So Thrive Market is an online grocery store, but they really only focus on shelf-stable items. So you can buy a bunch of different pantry items like condiments, pasta, rice, snacks, stuff like that, as well as frozen items. And then they also have some ancillary things. So it's basically anything that you could find in a grocery store. However, the big thing that you do need to keep in mind is that Thrive Market does not have fresh produce. So if you want somewhere that's going to be like a one-stop shop for everything that you would buy in a grocery store, this is not going to be it for you, but it could be a good option if you are willing to supplement and get other foods other places. Then that is probably going to be more of where Thrive Market makes sense. The other thing to note is that it is a membership model. So it's kind of like a Costco where you do need to buy a membership to even get into the front door of Thrive Market. I couldn't even find a way to even see like what the prices were or anything like that unless I was already like past the paywall. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I think if this is not something that is appealing to you, there definitely are some other options out there. I would definitely consider like Imperfect Foods as another alternative if you don't like the idea of a membership model. But yeah, that's how it works. There's two different options for the membership. You can either spend $60 upfront for the year, so it's $5 a month equivalent, get the membership that way, or you can do a monthly membership for $12 a month. They definitely incentivize you to go with the yearly option because it's like half the price on a monthly basis. It's only $5 versus $12 per month. And they also tend to throw in like a bunch of add-on stuff for the annual membership. So I purchased the annual membership and they threw in a bunch of like free products. Like I got this cookbook, I got some almond butter, some ghee, I got this box of pasta. So they try to like throw in more stuff to like further incentivize you to get the annual membership, but obviously then you're locked in for a longer time. So, you know, just something to consider. Full disclosure, I did purchase everything that I'm going to show you today with my own money. I purchased the membership on my own. I'm in no way partnering with Thrive Market for this video. I do just want to say though, if you do want to save some money, I do have just a generic referral code that literally anyone can get. And right now I think it will save you 40% off your first order. So check that out if you're interested. But again, if this is not the service for you, I totally understand that as well. So yeah, let's continue. Next, I did an item by item comparison for 10 different items on Thrive Market to see how the price actually compared to other competitors. And this was really quite difficult, I'm not gonna lie, for a few reasons. So number one, a lot of these like specialty online retailers have a relatively limited selection, or they tend to carry like kind of unique brands. Like that's a lot of the selling point of these like specialty retailers. So for example, I first tried to compare it to Imperfect Foods, which I think is kind of like most similar in a lot of ways to Thrive Market. Like it's really focused on kind of like cost savings. They do a lot of like these kind of quirky organic type of stuff. But the problem with Imperfect Foods is they have a pretty limited selection and they only open up their menu every week. So you kind of have like a set window where you can shop, but the rest of the time it's not like a grocery store where you can just go in anytime. So I ended up not really comparing to Imperfect Foods. So I ended up comparing it with Amazon Fresh because they have a pretty wide selection. So it's easier to find like the same item. They also are a delivery service. I didn't want to find a retailer that didn't really have a focus on low cost. So I thought this would be the most apt comparison. But even then, there's still like so many items on Thrive Market I literally could not find on Amazon or Imperfect Foods or really like many places at all. So I think that could be a good thing in the sense that they have a lot of unique items. It could be a negative because they don't necessarily have a lot of like super mainstream brands. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the 10 items that I found. So the first item that I looked at was this root beer from Poppy. This is $2.49 on Thrive Market. On Amazon, it is $2.69, so a little bit cheaper on Thrive Market, but this was not even available. It was not even in stock on Amazon. This was another problem I ran into. There were a lot of items that were out of stock, so that was another challenge. I tried my best to come up with the prices. These were literally the first 10 items where I could actually find an apples to apples comparison, so I just kind of picked randomly. Next, this was the item where there was the biggest biggest price discrepancy. So I looked at this 16 count box of Lara bars in the chocolate chip flavor. This was actually quite a bit more expensive on Thrive Market. So it was $26.99. And then on Amazon, this was only $20.63. So a pretty big savings for Amazon. Next, I looked at these sea salts seaweed snack things. So this is the 6 count in the flavor of sea salt. Thrive Market had them for $6.29. And then this was available on Amazon for $5.99. So again, Amazon was less expensive in that case as well. Next, I looked at this shampoo. I wanted to get some other types of items. So I did this clarifying shampoo from Acure. This was $7.99 on Thrive Market. What was it on Amazon? It was $8.29. So that was a win for Thrive Market. It was a little bit cheaper over there. Next, I looked at this Bear apple snacks. So this was $4.99. And then on Amazon, it was $5.69. So again, another win for Thrive Market. Next, I looked at these organic cooked beets. This was an 8-ounce bag. On Thrive Market, it was $3.59. And on Amazon, it was $4.99. So again, a cheaper option on Thrive Market. So overall, I think these early ones, it seems like it's, kind of neck and neck. Next, what did I find here? I found some Banza pasta. This on Thrive Market was $3.99. Although I will note on Thrive Market, there were a lot of these ones that are required a minimum of 2 items to be purchased. So this was true for this rotini chickpea pasta. They required 2, but it was $3.99 each. And on Amazon, it was also $3.99. So that was exactly a tie, but I would say Amazon is probably the winner here because there's not an order minimum. Next, I looked at this peanut butter, creamy peanut butter from Santa Cruz Organic in the dark roasted variety. This was $5.99 on Thrive Market. On Amazon, it was $5.56, although it was out of stock on Amazon. So again, it's really hard to find exact apples to apples comparison. It seems like when they were selling this, it was $5.56, so a little bit cheaper on Amazon. Next, so I looked at these egg whites and kale breakfast bowl from Dr. Praeger's. This was $5.99 on Thrive Market. On Amazon, it was $5.69. So that is a little bit cheaper on Amazon. So again, another win for Amazon this time. And then finally, I looked at this Rouse tomato sauce. I looked at the tomato basil in the 32-ounce jar. Okay, so this is actually cheaper on Thrive Market. So this is only $8.09 on Thrive Market, and on Amazon it is $9.29. Although it does look like you can save 15%. About the same, give or take. Okay, so the total, if I were to buy all of these items, it was $76.40 for the 10 items from Thrive Market, and then Amazon Fresh was $71.42. So Amazon Fresh did end up winning this battle of these 10 items by about $5. But I will say that the vast majority of the difference was just coming from those Lara bars that were $6 less on Amazon. So if I do exclude those and just do the other 9 items, then Thrive Market ends up eking out and being a little bit cheaper, but overall I would say the edge is definitely going towards Amazon, especially because they don't have those order minimums and they don't have an ongoing subscription they require to get. Of course they have Amazon Prime, but that's not a requirement. So yeah, that was the price comparison. Overall, I would say I'm pretty impressed that even though Thrive Market is obviously a much smaller company than the behemoth of Amazon, they really did still stand neck and neck on price. It was kind of a 50-50 chance which ones were going to be less expensive. 4 out of the 10 ended up being cheaper for Thrive Market and 6 ended up being cheaper on Amazon. So that was my price comparison. Overall, I would say you're probably not getting screwed on price from Thrive Market. I think the prices are still pretty competitive. They may not be the literal cheapest on everything. That's what I found. At this point, I've actually gotten 2 separate orders from Thrive Market, and I filmed the first one. The first one I got was these enormous box of so many different things, and I'm gonna be honest, the delivery experience was not the best in my opinion. Well, there were some pros and cons. I liked that there was not really a lot of plastic. It seems like they're pretty much just using paper packaging, so I thought that was good. But the downside is I don't think they did that well of a job at protecting the items. I had a lot of smashed up boxes. Everything was still usable. It's not like it was totally ruined or anything like that, but I definitely had a lot of paper packaging that was smashed up, like these boxes of tea, like these boxes of macaroni had giant dents in it. So that was kind of a negative experience, but I will say other positive thing about the shipping is it came extremely fast. Like the shipping really only took like literally a day or two. It was very speedy. So overall, you know, kind of a mixed experience there. At the end of the day, my experience with Thrive Market is I like it. I definitely think I will continue to use it. I think the prices are pretty good and they do have a pretty wide selection of items, and they have a lot of unique items that you wouldn't necessarily find anywhere, judging by the fact that a lot of the items I literally could not find on Amazon or in Perfect Foods in order to do a price comparison. But there's definitely some downsides as well. It's not the cheapest on everything. They also have the membership that costs, you know, additional money. And then they also don't have like fresh produce. So you're definitely gonna have to supplement with other places as well. But overall, I do like it, but you know, mixed feelings on it. If you want to try it out, again, I have my referral link down in the description box. And if you're looking for something to watch next, I will link some of my Perfect Foods unboxings and reviews as well for you to check out. That may be a good option as well if you're considering what's out there. And until next time.